Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in last video we have seen slicing in string. Okay, so in today's video we are going to see how we can modify this string. Okay, so first I'll open this folder in VS Code. So I'll just right click, and if you are using Windows 11 then you need to right click and show more options, and you can see the option open with VS Code. Okay, and if you have followed my first video, then you will see this option. If you don't see this option, then you just click over here and write cmd and type code paste dot and hit enter. Then this will open VS Code in current location, and now you can close this. Okay, after installing VS Code, we are opening it first time, so I'll just say this, click this button and say trust. Okay, now just click over here, you can see all the files. Okay, here it is giving some recommendations for Python extension. I will just say install. So this will install all the required extension for Python. Okay, so extension has been installed. Now it is asking us for accessing the network, so I'll just say allow access, and yeah, everything is fine. Okay, now I'll just zoom. I hope you are able to see properly. Now here I will create one more file by clicking over here, and I will say 10 dot modify underscore string dot py. Hit enter. Okay, now here I will write a equals to let's say Django world. Okay, now modify string, I don't mean that modifying it from over here. Okay, so this is a basic logic, like anyone can modify it from. By modify string I mean it like by using some functions, inbuilt functions. Okay, so first I will say print, and I will say a, and if I run this, then you can see Django worlds. Okay, so Django world. Okay, there was a typo. Okay, now you can see the output. Okay, this string has not been modified. So to modify, like if you want this string in uppercase, then you can use upper function. Okay, so upper, so I'll say print a, the variable which is containing the whole string, and dot upper. So this is inbuilt function in Python. Okay, and now you save this file and run, then you can see this whole string is in uppercase now. So this string is basically modified. Now I want this string in lowercase, then I will write print and a dot lower. This is also inbuilt function in Python, so everything is now in lowercase. Okay, now what if I want to remove white space? So I will write remove space. Okay, and I'll say print a dot strap. So this will basically remove white spaces. Okay, so this basically this this will removes white spaces from beginning and ending. Okay, so if I run this, you can see the difference. So this basically removed white spaces from front and end, and here you can see like we have white spaces. Okay, here also and here also. If I highlight it, you can see. Okay, then we have replace function. Okay, so if I say print, and I will say a dot replace. Okay, now here you need to write what part you want to remove, you want to replace. Actually, it can be in character or string. Let's say I want to replace this whole Django term to, let's say I want to replace it to Yash. Hello Yash world. No, let's say Python world. Okay, if I run this, then you can see Django has been replaced with Python. And if I want like only D to replace with Python, then also it is possible. So you can see D is replaced with Python, and Python Django world. So this works like this. Okay, then we have split function. Now this split basically splits your string. So let's say I have two words in this string. Okay, so if I write print and I say a dot split, then here I will write with what I want to split with. Okay, so I can write comma, and if I do this, then it has took this word. Okay, we need to enter the comma over here, so it will split it. You can see. So what it will do is, like, it will take whole string, and whenever it will see comma, then it will separate it by two words. Okay, so this works like this. And if I write plus, and here I will split with plus, then also it will do same thing. You can see over here. Okay, I hope you got the idea, right? So this is known as modifying the string. Okay, so yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next one. Thank you.